Hello and welcome back. We are so happy to have you here with us today. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Davis. On this channel, we help you master natural English through real conversations. It's fun, easy, and effective.
If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps us out and keeps us motivated to make more lessons for you.
Exactly. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful topic: New Year's resolutions and plans.
That's right. You will learn key vocabulary, useful phrases, and how to express your ideas clearly. Remember, try to listen and shadow us to practice your pronunciation.
Okay, are you ready? Let's jump right in. So, Sarah, I have to ask, be honest with me. Are you actually feeling energetic today, or are you just acting?
Surprisingly, yes, I genuinely feel recharged. There's something magical about the first week of January. How about you? Still recovering from the holidays?
You know me too well. Honestly, I have a little bit of the post-holiday blues. But I had a slow morning with hot coffee and some smooth jazz music. It was the perfect way to reset my mind.
That sounds like a soft landing into the new year. I think it's important not to rush.
Exactly. So let's look back at New Year's Eve. Did you end up going out to a wild party or did you stay in? Actually, I went to a friend's house for a game night. It wasn't a huge party, maybe just 10 of us. The atmosphere was very cozy.
Oh, I love cozy gatherings. They are much better than crowded clubs. Did you play board games?
We played cards mostly, poker specifically, and I have to admit, I lost almost every single hand. I think I have bad luck.
Oh no, that's unlucky. Or maybe you just need a better poker face.
Probably, but it's okay. The snacks made up for it. We had potato chips, homemade guacamole dips. It was delicious. We did the countdown at midnight, watched the ball drop on TV, and toasted with sparkling juice. How about you? Your night was quieter, right?
Much quieter. It was just me and my partner. We decided to avoid the crowds, the traffic, and the noise. We stayed home to cook a fancy dinner.
That sounds lovely. What was on the menu?
We made homemade tomato pasta with fresh basil and garlic bread from scratch. Then we curled up on the sofa with blankets to watch the city fireworks on TV.
Sounds perfect. Low stress, good food. That is my kind of night.
Exactly. Although there was one problem. My cat, Pepper, absolutely hated the fireworks. She spent the whole night hiding under the bed.
Poor Pepper. Next time you need to buy her some cat earmuffs. So after that quiet night, how did you start day one of the new year?
I started it with gratitude. The very first thing I did was call my parents to wish them a happy new year. Hearing their voices really set a positive tone for the year. It made me feel connected. What about you? Did you sleep in until noon?
I definitely slept in. I woke up around 11 a.m. I felt a little guilty, but it was a holiday. After that, I forced myself to go for a long walk in the park. The air was crisp and cold. It felt like a clean slate.
A clean slate. I love that phrase. It really captures the feeling of wiping away the past mistakes and starting fresh.
Speaking of phrases, Sarah, since it's the new year, I want to test you. Do you know any other idioms about beginnings?
Oh, a challenge. I love it. Okay, I have one. To turn over a new leaf.
Ah, that's a classic. It means to start behaving in a better way, right? Like turning the page of a book.
Exactly. And here is another one. To start off on the right foot.
That means to begin a relationship or a project well. If you start badly, you start on the wrong foot.
You are good at this. Okay, last one. Ring in the new year.
That just means to celebrate the beginning of the year, usually at midnight. See, I've been studying.
Impressive. Now, speaking of turning over a new leaf, let's talk resolutions. Do you have any for this year?
I do. Usually I give up after 2 weeks. I'm the king of quitting. But this year I'm serious. My resolution is to master 5 new recipes.
Oh, staying away from takeout and delivery apps?
Exactly. I spent too much money on them. I want to learn to cook real meals. One new dish every couple of months.
That's a smart goal, specific and achievable. It's much better than just saying, I want to cook more. I volunteer to be your taste tester, by the way.
Deal. But I warn you, I might burn the kitchen down. If it's bad, we can always order pizza. What about you, Sarah?
Mine is focused on learning. I want to read one book a month in English.
That's ambitious. Fiction or nonfiction?
Mostly short stories and simple novels. I want to improve my vocabulary without getting bored. If the book is too thick, I fall asleep.
That's a great strategy. Consistency is key. Small steps are better than big jumps. Besides resolutions, which are kind of like work, are there things you are just looking forward to, just for fun?
Definitely travel. I'm planning a trip to the mountains this summer. I'm really looking forward to the fresh air, hiking, and disconnecting from the internet.
That sounds amazing. A digital detox.
And I have a dream plan.
What's a dream plan?
It's a bigger goal, maybe not for this year, but something I'm saving money for. I dream of visiting my old friend Anna, who lives overseas. I haven't seen her in 2 years.
That's beautiful. Reconnecting with old friends is so important. My dream plan is a bit simpler. Honestly, I just want to keep my plants alive this year. They always die on me.
Hey, that's a valid challenge. Being a plant parent is hard work. Maybe we can start a small garden on your balcony.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves, one succulent at a time.
We've used some great vocabulary today. Let's quickly review a few key phrases for our listeners.
First up, New Year's resolution. This is a promise you make to yourself to improve something in the coming year.
Next is looking forward to. We use this when we are excited about something in the future. For example, I am looking forward to my summer trip.
And cozy. This describes a place or feeling that is warm, comfortable, and safe, like a warm blanket on a cold day.
A clean slate. This means a fresh start, forgetting past mistakes.
And don't forget to turn over a new leaf, changing your behavior for the better.
We hope you enjoyed this extended conversation. Now we have a question for you. What is one small plan you have for next month?
It doesn't have to be big, maybe just drinking more water or walking 10 minutes a day.
Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice.
Happy New Year, everyone. See you next time.